In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to omit certain datasets from your Excel exports. Now first you have to make sure you have data imported into your file. And if you've done that, now we can choose which ones to omit. If you go to your Home tab, you'll see you have a Data Definition section. When you click on Data Definition, you'll see a button here to include in reports. So let's say we did not want to include our historic sales, 2021 sales, and also the 2023 sales. We don't want those included in our exports. So now when I click on OK, if I run any export, those datasets will be excluded. So let's go to File, Export, and let's do an export to Excel. And I just want to do account level data. And I could also customize it here under the custom section to exclude that. But if we go to everything, this will give me everything possible for the export. Click Next and Finish. Now we simply save that export. And now we have the Excel file. So since we included everything in that export, and we go all the way to the right, you'll still see that those two data sets that we omitted in data definition, they're not included because it overrode the everything. So that's one way of omitting data during the export. You can also customize it during the custom level exports. When you choose to exclude data from the export here in data definition by deselecting that little option here, this will apply to all the other Excel exports that you can perform in AlignMix. This will include the batch exports. This will include the individual Excel exports by territory too. And that's it. You've just learned how to omit certain datasets from your Excel exports here in AlignMix.